Feeling tired, gaining weight, and can't figure out why? Your metabolism might be slowing down and sending you warning signs. In this video, we reveal 10 symptoms of a sluggish metabolism and how to fix each one fast. Stay until the end. Number 9 is something 80% of people miss. If you're tired even after 8 hours of sleep, your body may be burning energy too slowly. Your metabolism fuels your energy, and when it's off, so is your focus. Fix it. Start your day with water, sunlight, and protein. Are you gaining weight even if your eating hasn't changed? That's a classic sign of metabolic slowdown, especially around the belly. Fix it. Focus on strength-based movement and cut back on ultra-processed carbs. Always cold, even when others aren't. Your body may be conserving energy instead of burning it due to a slower metabolism. Fix it. Increase thyroid-supportive foods like iodine, seaweed, eggs, seafood. If you're always hungry, especially for sugar or carbs, your body is trying to get quick energy. It means your metabolism isn't efficiently processing nutrients. Fix it. Eat more fiber and protein to balance blood sugar. Slow metabolism equals slow cell regeneration. Hair, nails, and skin are often the first to show signs. Fix it. Add zinc, biotin, and omega-3 rich foods like salmon and flaxseed. Feeling bloated or constipated all the time? That's your metabolism slowing down your digestion. Fix it. Drink more water. Eat probiotic foods like yogurt and fermented veggies. Your metabolism isn't just about fat. It also impacts your mood. Low energy and poor hormone regulation equals irritability and anxiety. Fix it. Sleep 7 to 9 hours and avoid processed sugar to stabilize hormones. Dry, dull skin may be due to poor circulation and slow nutrient delivery. Metabolism controls how well your body renews cells. Fix it. Add healthy fats and stay well hydrated. If even walking feels exhausting, your metabolism might be in rest mode. Low activity equals less calorie burn equals even lower metabolism. Fix it. Start with short 5-minute walks after meals. Struggling to sleep or waking up tired? Slow metabolism can disrupt your body clock and hormone balance. Fix it. Avoid screens before bed, eat light at night, and keep a consistent bedtime. Your metabolism talks to you every day through energy, hunger, and mood. Start fixing it with simple steps. Eat protein, hydrate, move gently, sleep deeply. Comment which symptom you've noticed lately. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us daily on Prime Fit Flow, where smart habits change lives.